My name is Daniel. I am 39 years old. I want to confess something simple and quiet. Every year, when Christmas comes, I wait for someone who does not belong to my life anymore. I do not tell people this. I do not even tell myself out loud. I just wait. I live alone in a small apartment near the bus road. The window is old. It lets in cold air. In December, the cold comes early. I wake up before sunrise. I make coffee in the same small pot. The sound is soft. The smell is strong. I drink it slowly. I look at the wall. I listen to the city wake up. This is my morning. This is my life. I work at a small office. I sit at a desk near the door. I answer emails. I check numbers. I nod when people talk. At lunch, I eat rice from a plastic bowl. I do not complain. I do not explain. I just eat. After work, I walk home. The street lights turn on one by one. I like to watch that. It feels steady. It feels safe. When December comes, the streets change. Shops play soft music. People carry bags. Children laugh. I see lights on balconies. Red lights, yellow lights. Some blink, some stay still. I tell myself it is just decoration, but my chest feels different. It feels tight. I buy a small tree. It is not tall. It fits in the corner. I put it near the window. I hang simple lights, no ornaments, just lights. I turn them on at night. The room looks warmer then. I sit on the sofa. I hold my cup. I think of nothing. I think of everything. Her name was Clara. I do not say her name often. We were together for many years. We did not fight loud. We did not cry in public. We were quiet people. We shared meals. We shared silence. At Christmas, she always visited me first, even when we were busy, even when we were tired. She said Christmas should not start alone. She left 3 years ago. There was no door slam, no angry words. She just said she was tired inside. She said she needed space. I said I understood. I did not stop her. I watched her pack her bag. I stood near the door. My hands were empty. After she left, life stayed normal, too normal. I still worked. I still ate. I still slept. People said I was strong. I nodded. But every Christmas, something came back. Not her body, not her voice, just the feeling that she might come, just once, just to say hello. This year, Christmas came on a quiet evening. The sky was gray, the air was cold. I came home early. I turned on the lights. I cooked soup. I washed my bowl. I sat down. I did not turn on the TV. I waited. Time moved slowly. I checked my phone, no message. I listened to the building. Doors opened, doors closed. Someone laughed in another room. Someone played music. I heard steps in the hall. My heart lifted. Then the steps passed my door. At 7, there was a knock. It was soft, not loud, just 2 small taps. My body froze. My hands shook. I stood up too fast. The chair moved back. I walked to the door. Each step felt heavy. I touched the handle. I took a breath. I opened it. A woman stood there. She wore a red coat. Snow was on her hair. She looked tired. She smiled in a shy way. It was not Clara. She said, "Sorry, wrong door." Her voice was kind. She looked at the number. She laughed softly. I said it was okay. I smiled back. She said, "Merry Christmas." I said it too. She walked away. I closed the door. The room felt very quiet. The lights on the tree blinked. I sat down slowly. My heart beat hard. Then it slowed. I understood something then. Clara was not my Christmas visitor. She was my memory visitor. I was not waiting for her to come. I was waiting for the feeling to leave, the feeling that said I was not complete alone. I sat there for a long time. I did not cry. I did not smile. I just breathed. I felt the chair under me. I felt the warmth of the room. I felt my feet on the floor. Later, I made tea. I held the cup with both hands. The steam touched my face. Outside, it started to rain. The drops hit the window, one by one, like a slow song. I watched the lights reflect on the glass. I thought of Clara with calm eyes, not sad ones. I wished her well. I wished myself peace. I turned off my phone, I turned down the lights, and I sat with the quiet. It did not hurt as much. That night, I went to bed early. I left the tree lights on. The room was soft and dim. I felt alone, but not empty. Now I know this. Some visitors do not knock. They come as memories. They stay for a while, then they leave when they are ready. Christmas did not bring her back. It brought me back to myself. And that was enough.